The seats actually look pretty darn good. If you look right there, like the padding of the seats. Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Compartment. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is just going to be a quick one here. This is an RLC car, the Tomaso Mangusta 1971. And it is an RLC club car. And this just came in the mail recently to me. So we will go ahead and review it quickly here. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. This is how it shows up in the mail. I believe they made 25,000 of these. We're going to find out. I don't think that's what it is. Go ahead here and open it up. The 1971 Mangusta, would be the last year they made the car. They began making them in 1967. It was designed by Gia. What's it say here? Is some writing on here on the back. You guys can pause it. I'm not going to read all of it. Some little history there. Most people are familiar with the Pantera, not so much the Mangusta. Oh, this thing is quite wild looking though. So yeah, oh, it's 20,000. Okay, I thought they made 25,000 each. 20,000. This one is number 15395 out of 20,000. I happen to live fairly close to where they ship these out of, so I usually get them literally with 2 to 3 days after I pay for them online. So it's pretty crazy. So we'll take a look at here. Let me dismount it and then I'll be right back. All right, now we have it dismounted. We can take a good look at it here as it's spinning around on the turntable. It's kind of like a pearlescent orange. It's a very interesting color. I know some people either hate it or they like it. I don't think it's bad. It's very pretty. It's a pretty color, almost like a peachy orange, but yet there's also a weird, almost a pearlescent hue to it. It's very, very different. I must say, but it's very beautiful. I mean, it's a beautiful car. We'll stop here and take a look. From what my research shows, that in 1971 was the last year that they made them. They made them 67 through 71. Early cars, I believe, was a 289, and then a 302, I believe, is what would have powered the last generation of them. And it's a Ford 302. If you're not familiar with these cars, these are premium grade Hot Wheels cars, so they are all over metal body, metal base, synthetic black rubber tires, nicer rims. This has a lot of nice details to it. The engine compartment, the way this opens up, kind of like gull wings basically. It's just so you can get in there and service the engine. Don't know if you can see or not, but it does say Ford on the valve covers, which are painted Ford blue. It looks like there's a good bit of details on this. That was close. It rolled off the turntable here and almost took a spin. There you can see the Ford logo. Very cool. It does have, you can kind of see it there. It's a little chunky, obviously, but there's a shift knob in there. The steering wheel looks okay. The seats actually look pretty darn good. If you look right there, like the padding of the seats, they look pretty good, especially for a Hot Wheels car. The interior does not look bad at all, considering. This paint, definitely the Spectra Flame, it warranted me wearing gloves because I'm just so afraid being fresh that I'm going to leave some kind of fingerprints on this car. That's why I'm kind of wearing my jeweler's gloves at the moment, just because it makes me nervous sometimes holding some of these. But boy, is it a beauty. Look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful. I know there's a lot of people ripped on this on Instagram and thought the car was ugly. I don't have a problem with it. I think it's very pretty, and you can't go wrong with a Ghia designed supercar. Some close-up shots of the underside. Very cool. You gotta love like this. The engine cover is just so cool how you can kind of see down in there, but yet it's the way you could service this is quite interesting. This gull wing configuration here is quite interesting. From what I was reading on Wikipedia, these things are pretty rare apparently. I don't think they made too many of them. I've never seen one. So I would assume that these are fairly rare cars. It almost looks like the headlights are lit up, like in that shot, doesn't it? Almost look like the headlights are lit up. Looks cool. Thought you guys would want to see that and get a first look. Hopefully I'm beating out some of my competitors on YouTube at trying to get this up as fast as possible. I think there's a couple other people probably, I'm sure, that already have it up here, but I thought that would be a fun, fast look. And if you're interested in the Datsun, that came in the mail, I think it was 2 days ago already, the Datsun 240Z. I ordered it and literally got it in like a day or two after I paid for it. Pretty insane. So that's going to be up next if you guys are interested in the Datsun 240. So there you go. That is the 1971 Tomaso Mangusta RLC car, and it is in like a orangey pearl color. Quite an interesting card, wouldn't you say? You guys have to let me know down below. Do you guys like this or not? Or do you think they just should have did it in a different color? On screen here, it's going to look a little more pumpkin color, I believe, than it actually is. In person, it's a very, very pretty goldish orange pearlescent hue to it. It's very interesting in person. I think it looks better in person than it does on video and in pictures, honestly. I'm glad I ordered one of these. I know it's still sold out in like 9.5 minutes or something crazy, but nonetheless, I was thankful to get one, considering I missed out on the silver, the silverish chrome 300 SL gull wing, which kind of upset me. I missed out on that one. I do have the green one anyway, but I missed out on the chrome one. So it was kind of cool to be able to score this one in a Datsun 240Z right in a row. All right, so thanks for watching. If you guys like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. I can't do a real long one tonight because my voice is starting to bother me. And tomorrow is July 4th, so happy July 4th to everybody. And probably when this goes online, it'll be July 4th by the time I can edit it and everything else. So I will see you guys soon. And I got to figure out what all I'm going to give away for the big sweepstakes. It's going to be 3 slots. So stick around for that. You do have to be a subscriber to win. Anyway, so I'll see you guys soon. Have a good night. Bye now.